In this video, I will show you how to use TikTok voice effects. Firstly, you need to get up right here into that third selection with plus icon, or it is called create section. Go click on it and simplify. You can now record a video right now in the moment, or you can simplify, get up and take over from your right wing to upload a video which is related onto your interest. I'm gonna now create that video on it, right now in the moment, and simply go on the tick to take over that selection. And when you join up into that site, now if you simplify, check over that voice effects on it. As you can see right down, you have voice effects. Go on it. Now from here you can select which is for you the most interested, and I will go with microphone, and I will just turn on the volume to see how it looks like and to hear. I will go with robot. Now guys, you know how to use TikTok voice effects.